Good morning, everyone. Today, we are having a 1 week refresher course on design analysis and CNC machining, a research perspective. So this session will be starting from today up to 17th March. It will be okay. So this is the first time we are conducting this refresher course in our department. Okay. So now I request our HOD to address the gathering.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Rahul. Good morning, one and all. I welcome you all for this 1 week refresher course on design analysis and CNC machining, a research perspective. And I take this occasion as a privilege to tell you something about the CNC laboratory and its utility. For the last 2-3 years, we have been working for some consultancy area in the area of CNC machining. Thanks to Professor Gopala Krishna of Electronics Department of our college for introducing us to Comsat Systems Private Limited and helped us in getting the consultancy. Initially, around 5 lakhs consultancy we have done. Of course, with a lot of difficulty and all this, I should congratulate the Venkatesh and team. I cannot spell out each and every name. I am calling the Venkatesh and team. And recently we got another worth of around 6.5 lakhs, I think, if I remember well, 6.5 lakhs. A number of components are there, and people are working on it. Venkatesh already completed a component. Neeraj sir has completed a component yesterday, and Bharat is going to take up another component in time to come. And of course, Rahul is working and going IDA GD Metla and IDA Mallapur, etc., to get some consultancy work by other industries also, And here I take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of our technicians. Of course, definitely I'm thankful to Mr. Venkatesh and his team, but at the same time, along with them, the technicians, both Mr. Srinivas Gaud and Srinivas Reddy worked very well, rose to the occasion, and now they are confident. Previously, I was not that confident. Only I'm pushing the people to do the consultancy. But now, after seeing the faces of our faculty members who are working on consultancy, I got confidence. Our people can achieve anything, can work on any component. Really, I appreciate the entire team. And of course, I congratulate initially Mr. Sai Kiran also worked for some components in the first phase. And of course, now I congratulate Mr. Sai Kiran and Rajesh Kumar. Both the coordinators have taken the initiative to start this refresher program. The main aim is every one of our faculty members to get introduced to CNC machine and master camp training program, so that everybody need not involve in the consultancy. If you are able to come forward to participate in consultancy, you are welcome, and I am the happiest person. Even otherwise also, you can work for so many research works by using the CNC machines. Already Dr. Uma Maheshwar Reddy is using CNC machine for making the very good publication in Q2 and Q1 sector. Really, I appreciate, and taking his effort as a motivation, other faculty members also I expect to work in this area and work for their research publications. And once again, I congratulate both the coordinators, Mr. Sai Kiran and Rajesh Kumar, for your intense efforts. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Now everyone switch on your videos for the group photo session.
Now I request everyone to switch on the videos in Zoom session so that we can have a group photo.
Sai Kiran, I suggest you one thing. After taking group photo, we can have a complete physical group photo also. Sometime tomorrow or day after tomorrow, depending on your convenience, collect all the faculty, will have a physical group photo also.
Sure, sir. Haribabu sir, update after the photo session is completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. You can proceed. I have taken the photos.
Okay.
Okay, Sai Kiran, is it over?
Sir, completed it, sir. Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. The next session starts at 11:30.
11:30. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.